Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
The Word Chameleon Masterclass. Welcome back. Today, we're going to practice how Finnish words change their coats. In English, we say, I am in the car. The word car doesn't change. But in Finnish, words are like chameleons. They transform before we add a tail. As always, no pens, no paper. If you forget a word, just relax. Your brain is a detective, and I will help you find the clues. Let's start with a time block. Evening is ilta. To say in the evening, we add the tail illalla. How do you say in the evening? Illalla. Excellent. You remembered the KPT rule. The LT softened to LL because we added weight to the end. Illalla. Now let's look at transport. Car is auto. To say by car, we use that same illalla hook. How do you say I go by car? I go is menen. Menen autolla. Perfect. Now, what if you are on a bike? Bicycle is pyörä. Pyörällä. Exactly. Now let's look at our first chameleon. Words ending in N, like the color blue, sininen. To add any tail, we must throw away N and replace it with se. What is the bridge for blue? Sinise. Right. Shirt is paita. To say, I buy a blue shirt, we add an N to show we completed the action on it. Try it. I buy a blue shirt. I buy is ostan. Ostan sinisen paidan. Spot on. You use the bridge for the adjective and the KPT rule for the shirt. Now, let's look at a building ending in S, like library, kirjasto. Wait, let's use a harder one. Let's use answer, vastaus. The S wants to grow. We throw it away and add kse. How do you say in the answer? Using the sa in hook. Vastauksessa. Perfect. Now, imagine you're looking for sugar-free juice. Without sugar, or sugar-free, is sokeriton. Words ending in ton have a heavy bridge, tottoma. How do you say, I buy sugar-free juice? Juice is mehua. Ostan sokeritonta mehua. Brilliant. You used the tottoma bridge and the a partial hook because you're buying some juice. Now, let's look at location. Most cities take the inside set, sa, sta, and een. London is lonto. How do you say to London? Double the vowel and add n. Lonto sen. Good. But some Finnish cities like Tampere are open places. They take the illa set. How do you say, I live in Tampere? I live is asun. Asun Tamperella. Excellent. Now, what if you are going into a lake? Lake is järvi. This is an ancient word, so the I turns into an E. How do you say into the lake? Järven. And into a boat. Boat is vene. It already has an E, so we just show the hidden one. Veneesen. You see, you've mastered the 4 major chameleon types. N becomes se, us becomes kse, ton becomes tottoma, and e becomes ee. You aren't just memorizing, you're understanding the biological code of Finnish words. You can now take a dictionary and build almost any sentence you need. We will stop there. Well done. Key building blocks. The N bridge. Throw away N, add se. The us bridge. Throw away S, add kse. The ton bridge. Throw away ton, add tottoma. And the e bridge. Show the hidden vowel and add ee.
The city rule, most take the inside hooks sa, sta, and in, but some take surface hooks like tamperella. The instrument hook, illa and ella, for by means of, autolla and pyörällä.